Alright people, listen up. We've intercepted some leaked intel about a new drone from DJI.
The Avata 360. Now, I don't know how long we've got before this gets taken down or something, so you're going to want to listen very carefully.
From what we know, it's going to have an 8K 60 FPS 360 camera.
The price that's been floated around is 2,988 yen, which is around $489 US.
And there's going to be a creator combo, and that's more like, was it around 689, something like that?
Either way, it's looking like it could be a bargain.
And from what we know from previous Avata creator combos, previous DJI creator combos, it's going to be a deal.
If these rumours are true, you're going to be getting flagship level specs at a very affordable price.
Let's see what we've got. Dual 1-inch sensors,
04 plus long range transmission.
omnidirectional optical sensors,
It's going to have built-in propeller guards.
2 control modes with the standard controller or the immersive stick like with the Avata 2.
And I think it's going to have different modes so that you can actually fly as a standard single lens FPV and the 360.
It's looking like a pretty big launch for DJI.
You're going to get FPV drone performance with the flexibility to reframe and post, so like an editor's dream, but also the ability to see everywhere and omnidirectional sensors. It's going to really improve flight safety. I think this could be the drone that will be suitable for beginners, content creators of all levels, but also the camera specs seem like they'll be, good enough for the pixel peepers and the demanding creators as well.
But remember, these are just rumours at this point.
If true though, it looks like it could disrupt that 360 drone sector in 2026.